Hi, Grandma Jean. I'm gonna grow up and be in a baseball game and not be in a gang.
Come on.
I think you'd probably be better at being in a gang.
Whoa. You can always use the ball back in the gang. Ready? Whoa. It's okay. It was just spongy. It's alright. Be tough. Aw, it'll be okay. It'll be okay.
A little blade of ball.
Ready? Show them what an arm you got on you. Throw the ball.
So are you going to be a blood or a crypt?
Whoa! You're going to be a professional bowler. I like that one.
Okay, one more.
That's the take.
Good. Seriously, dude. Say bye to Grandma Jean.
Bye.